Good. Reach up nice and tall through your skull bones. Take a nice inhale, and we're going to slowly exhale and roll the heads of the shoulders up and around. Now take your left arm and let's reach up and over, opening up through the side body, stretching, and then fold forward, reach the arm up and around again. Inhale, lengthen through the side body. Exhale, flexing through the spine. Feel that length in the shoulder, the intercostals reaching up and over. Again, exhale. Find that ujjayi breath and gently float the arm down. Now your right arm comes up and over, stretching, breathing here. Maybe a little back bend, and then fold forward and reach the arm up and over. And it's like a dance, lift up and over. Now go at your own speed when you go through this. If you want to go faster or you want to go slower, just explore. Use the breath. Again, inhale and lengthen, exhale, and slowly float down. Now again, let's take those shoulders back and let's go into the other side. One more time, left side, lift up and over and fold forward. And lift and lengthen. Good. Again, inhale, lengthen. And exhale. Now let's stay here. Stay in that side body bend. Open through the ribs. Soften the facial muscles. Maybe a little back bend. Ooh. And lift up and over. Float that arm down. And other side. Again, let's start here. Side bending. Hold and breathe and fold forward. And again, side bend, and then float over to the other side. Again, inhale, lengthen up and over. Good. Now just hang out here for a little bit. Stay here and breathe. Inhale and exhale. And then inhale, come all the way back up to sit. Let's roll the heads of the shoulders back again. Then we're going to reach out through the arms, lengthen nice and long through the arms. And once you get out there, flex the palms and stay here. Just hang out here. Inhale and exhale. Ah, good. Inhale and exhale. Feel that delicious stretch through the palms of the hands. Now you're going to make fists with your hands, and then you're going to fold at the wrists and slowly bend the elbows. We're going to stretch through that web of nerves. Bend, stretch, and bend, and stretch. Now take a moment, shake out those hands, give them a nice little shake. It's just great to open up the wrists and the palms from all the computer work that we do. And now we're going to round forward, interlace your hands, chin towards your chest, spread the shoulder blades apart. Ooh. And now open through the neck. Like a swan, like a dance. Take your head up and over. This is great to stretch out that neck. Round through the spine. And again, stretch. Pushing the hands away and pulling the shoulder blades away from each other. Open through the neck. Again, chin towards your chest. And then slowly flow all the way up. Let's take a little back bend here. Take your arms back. And then round forward again through the spine. Feel the shoulder blades move away from each other and down the back. And a nice big back bend. Inhale, open the chest, heart center opens. The arms are an extension of the heart. Feel that energy. Open up. One more back bend if you'd like. And then float the arms down. Let's take the left arm up and over. And now you're going to grab onto the side of your head and float your head towards the left. Now you can modify this and take your fingertips onto your hairline or all the way down to your jawline. And you're going to float your right arm up and you're going to feel a nice deep stretch right here. Okay, now hang out here. You're going to look down towards your armpit. Good. Like you're, actually smelling your armpit. I want you to think of that. Nice visual. And then you're going to add a little pressure to the back of your head. And you're going to take your opposite arm up and around. So the right arm comes up, and then you're reaching towards the right shoulder blade. Now side bend through your head and add a little pressure here. Connect back into that breath. Doesn't that feel good? Release the arm. And gently press your head all the way up. Support your head. Okay, roll the heads of the shoulders back. Let's go on to the other side. So you're going to take your right arm up and over, grab onto the, either right near your hairline, or you can reach down to your jawline, whatever feels appropriate. A gentle pressure there, and then float your opposite arm up so the left arm comes up. And reach through that arm. You can add little circles, whatever feels appropriate. Reach and lengthen, and then float that arm down. Feel that nice, delicious stretch. And the breath, inhale and exhale. Good. Now again, let's turn the head down so you're looking down towards your armpit. And you're going to take the left arm up and back, grabbing onto the shoulder blade. Good. And keep peeling that shoulder blade down your back. A little pressure on the nape of your neck. This should feel good. Find a nice edge, nice edge, okay? So you should not feel pain. Now you're going to slowly take your head back towards center and add a little bit of pressure on the side of the head. Nice big sigh. Okay, float that arm down, lift the head back up to center, supporting your head. Roll the shoulders back, lift up nice and tall. Okay, now look over towards your left, and then reach out through your right arm. Like you're pushing the world away. Make room for me. And then look over to your right, rolling the head of the left shoulder back. Bend the elbow gently and then press the arm away. This is like a dance, this flow, an upper body dance. Good. Float that arm down and then slowly come back through to center. Inhale, reach the arms up nice and long. Exhale, take a twist. Now reaching up, cinch the waist. Inhale, lift, and exhale, twist. Again, inhale, lift. Exhale and twist. Baci came to join us. Inhale, lift up tall. Exhale and twist, twist, twist. Reach through the skull bones. Exhale. Again, inhale, reach up, 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 up. Exhale, twist, twist, twist. Navel in towards your spine. Inhale, come back through to center. Exhale, take the arms back. Find a little back bend here. So hook your index and your middle fingers together and open the chest up. Now, optional, if you have a strap or a towel, you could use that also. So whatever feels appropriate and whatever is available. Okay, now we're going to turn over to the right side and stretch and hold here. And then bring your gaze over to the left and reach up. Good, now come through to center. Let's change sides. Take the arms over towards your left. And then slowly bring your gaze over towards the right. That's it, good. I always think of like a Cupid right here. Cupid's arrow for some reason. And then come back through to center. Inhale, open the heart up. And exhale, take it back forward, spreading the shoulder blades apart. Inhale, lift up and back, open the chest. Open the neck. Exhale and round. Inhale, pull gently on that strap. Exhale. Doesn't that feel good? Inhale and exhale. Okay, lower your strap down. Let's take the left arm across and add some pressure right onto the forearm. Now you're going to take the hand and you flex and then make a fist and flex the wrist. Okay, now change sides again. You're going to flex the hand, keep it nice and flat, then make a fist and flex at the wrist. Again, open and fold. Again, open up those fingertips. Inhale, open all the way up. Roll the heads of the shoulders back. Open both hands up. Good, nice stretch for those fingers. Making fists, bend your elbows and bend at the wrist. And press out. You can feel this in your forearms. And again, press. You should feel this through the top of your hand. Open up through the hands. And let's do a nice little stretch. You're going to grab each finger one at a time and give it a little stretch. And if you want to, you can pause the video And hold this a little bit deeper. Go through each finger, give it a nice press. Don't worry, they should not fall off. And then you're going to add a little bit of pressure again at the wrists in both directions. And then circle them out. Good. Now from the wrists, go to the elbows. Go in both directions. And then the shoulders. And change directions. Take the shoulders up and back. Okay, so we're going to do a little side bending in the neck again, which is really essential when you're opening up through the upper body. So roll your head to the shoulders back, and then gently drape your head over towards your left shoulder. Add a little bit of pressure with your hand. Again, find your jawline or your hairline, and just add some pressure right there, right on the temple. If you want to, you can take it a little deeper. Okay, now roll your head slowly back to center and gently press your forehead up. And change sides. Float your head over to the right side. Add a little pressure again. Find what's appropriate for you. Just a little pressure here. Oh, that feels so good. Ujjayi pranayama, Ujjayi. If you're not familiar with Ujjayi, then just breathe. We're trying to constrict the back of the throat gently. Again, inhale and exhale. Then press into the side of your head, and then float your head back towards center and support your head to lift all the way back up. Let's roll the heads of the shoulders back again. Open the chest. Now round forward. This is a little Feldenkrais here. So what you're doing is rounding through the spine and back bending through the neck, and then reverse it. So you're going to back bend and chin towards your chest. Good. Now round through the spine and back bend in the neck. This should really feel awkward. Open up, back bend, and chin towards your chest, and then round through the spine and look up. Now play with this motion, and if you want to do any research on 𝘁𝗵𝗁 Feldenkrais, he was another amazing teacher. Now interlace your hands and just add a little pressure at the nape of your neck. We're not going to really, I just want you to just think about keeping your hands there as a guide and more or less use gravity to help you from side to side. Remember, you want to find a nice edge, someplace between boredom and anxiety, so it should feel good, like a nice edge. This should feel nice. Good, nice, gentle Ujjayi breathing. Inhale, come back through to center. Now press your head to the back of your hands, and then slowly come back forward. One more time, press, 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 and this time open into a little back bend. Open the chest, if that feels appropriate. So if you're tight in your neck, then you don't want to do this, okay? You want to take a little bit of motion. If you're tight in the neck, then you want to work your range of motion. Let's round through the upper back, interlace at the thumbs, and then open the chest up. Lift the heart open. And you can push it into the back of your chair, into the earth, whatever you can grab onto back there. Again, round through the spine, and then nice twist. So go to the degree that feels comfortable for you. Reach up nice and tall. Inhale, come through to center. Exhale and twist. Reach, 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 reach through the skull bones. Cinch the waist. Inhale, come through to center. Now twist and open the arm. And come back through to center. Again, a nice twist. Reach and open. And come back through to center. Nice. Okay, lift, lift. Now grab your left wrist and reach up and over. Find a little back bend here if it feels okay. Come back through to center. Again, reach up and over. Let's go into the other side. Just hang out here. Look underneath the arm if that feels okay. Breathe. Okay, float the arms down. Roll the heads of the shoulders back. Now let's flubber the lips like a horse. And then nice big lion's breath. Stick out your tongue. Give Baci away again. Flubber the lips. Roll the heads of your shoulders back. And then take your hands to your heart center. Let's just take a moment to close our practice. Focus on the breath. Good. Now, if you'd like to, we're going to chant one Om, so you can either do it verbally or you can just join us and absorb it if you don't have the bandwidth to start oming and chanting in your office. Om. Om.